Water is precious. At Varuna Waters, we create smart water filtration systems that enable industries, hospitals, and high water-consuming units to reuse water efficiently. Recently, we installed a water treatment system at a laundry facility in Bangalore, where daily consumption is between 5,000 to 10,000 liters. But what makes this project truly unique? Instead of constructing a traditional water collection tank, ready-made Precast RCC wastewater collection tank. A ready-to-install solution offers several advantages. Saves time. No on-site construction, just install use. Highly durable. Made of reinforced concrete lasting centuries. Easy cleaning. Equipped with a manhole for easy maintenance. Advanced design. Built using modern engineering for efficient water management. Installation is quick, seamless. Loaded onto the truck. Shipped to site. Excavation as per size. Installed using cranes. Water treatment begins. At Varuna Waters, we believe in sustainable and smart water management. Ready to upgrade to faster, smarter, and stronger filtration solutions? Contact us today.